Hello and welcome to Pinkstone's Toyota. I'm just going to give you a quick walk around video of this Yaris Hybrid XL finished in Island Blue. The car has a 1.5 litre engine. With it being hybrid, it's automatic. It's only had 2 owners and it's £0 tax. Let's have a look inside. Touch screen in there, dual zone climate control as well. Nice interior, part leather, plenty of room in the back. Decent sized boot. And one of the best features with this car, it does also have a panoramic roof all the way from the front and back. Car comes with the DAB radio, so got the standard AM FM radio, Bluetooth which you can use for phone calls and music. You can plug in USB devices as well and play MP3s that way. Got the reversing camera, also has automatic wipers, headlights and cruise control. If you require any more information about this vehicle, please contact our used car sales team. Thanks for watching.